Smriti.
Good, good, Pooja. Doing good.
Doing good. Okay, that's awesome. Hello, Vijay Lakshmi auntie. Hello, and hi everyone. So if you switch on your camera, it'll be great. I know many of them are watching pre-recorded videos only, weekend and everything. Right? So that's it. Fine. So yeah. So how is everyone doing? How is your practice going on? Yes. Good. Okay. Fine. So yeah, let's begin. So color numerology is ongoing. Color numerology level 2 is going on, and then we have other sessions starting very soon, which is on numerology. Okay, numerology, that is date of birth analysis, mobile numerology, and name numerology will be introduced very fast. I think after 1 week, numerology course will start. Okay. So these are the things, and many of them want to learn about the magnet thing, so where to put magnets and all. Okay. So the thing is, mm, people come to me for consultation. For example, you have headache, body ache, or something. By the time I reply, the headache would have gone. Sometimes even I can't reply. So the thing is, um, you know I'll give you the PDF and I'll teach you how to apply it. So starting from knee pain, backache, how to diagnose. You can diagnose it by yourself and try it on yourself. Okay. You need not depend on me also. Until I reply, you try the protocol, feel relief and everything. Okay. So if you let me know your needs, so based on your needs, I can conduct one session. Okay. But I feel backache is for everyone. Backache and knee pain and mind related issue, mental health. Okay, who should try? See, every time Buddha triangle also want help most of the time. So it will help 90%, it will help, but it depends on what traumas you are going. So I will teach everything. Okay, so we'll conduct one basic course. Okay, so I'll let you know when it's going to start and all. So let me know what is your needs or what exact protocols you want. We'll start from Vijay Lakshmi.
Which Vijay Lakshmi we have to Vijay Lakshmi. Yeah, Pooja, I'm interested in magnet therapy because I've seen the magic. So, for basic, like, BP, sugar,
Yes.
fat, obesity, and back pain, sciatica. I'm very
Sciatica.
sciatica.
Okay. Sure.
I'm interested in magnets.
Magnets. Okay. That's awesome. Magnets, trust me, it will work like wonder. See, color therapy will also work. See, everything, whatever I teach, 12 different programs, I think 13 different programs. Everything has its own way of, healing, transforming, and everything. So magnets, so my journey of acupressure started with this thing, magnets. So I didn't know what is magnet. So one day my mom had put magnets and all. I asked, what is that? How does it work and everything? So that's how my journey started, with curiosity. Okay. And I had zero interest in actual education. I was topper and everything, but after coming to acupressure, I completely lost interest. Though I was a psychology student. Okay, so there we just write, but no proper solution. If person is going through something, so we need courses like inner child healing, trauma healing, and lot of things. Graphology and everything. Okay, so when I say any course, I don't stick to that one particular course. I will add on graphology, or if there is numerology remedy, so I will add on few more things. Okay, so this German concept is going to be extremely helpful. Okay, because I have literally typed everything. Okay, so I will show the PDF. Okay, so I don't give my work to somebody else. So team members are there for marketing purpose, advertising and everything, but PPT and all I only sit and do. So if I close my eyes, if I get any picture. That's how my presentation should also look. So that's how I make presentation. Okay, so it's going to be easy. So where you have to put magnets and all. So it's placed, so yellow color, white color, and everything. Okay, and one more thing. So one offline not workshop, sorry, consultation workshop will be done very soon offline, because I'm doing only online and people are not able to meet me because of my schedule and everything. And I actually don't meet anyone offline. But I will let you know. Yes, Vijayalakshmi aunty wanted to share something.
Yeah, magnets, anxiety, Pooja, because that used to make magic when during Saga's wedding. You
Oh,
remember?
okay. Oh, yes. Yeah.
Yeah, so but now I've forgotten the points and also now I want to again learn and
Learn.
uh,
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Definitely. Aunty, definitely. Yes. Yes. So anxiety issues and many more things. Like, see, TCM. If I talk it, the kind of consultation I do, and how I master this concept, it's like people literally spend 2 weeks back only. Somebody nearly spent 70-80,000. Go to this checkup, or you have this problem, that problem, and everything. And at last they came to us, and I was like, this is just some issue related to blood vessel. When I check the tongue and when I talk to them, I understand what exactly the issue is. And I saw the report, it was something else, and I was like, okay, fine, let me try this. You won't believe it, after 3-4 days, 50% pain reduction was there. you know this is the magic of magnets. Okay, so basic course will be conducted. It's a combination of TCM and German concept. And please don't have that thought that, okay, I've already learned TCM German concept, how is it new? Every time it's going to be new, any class you join. Okay, and lot of new concepts have come up. So just join in. So I will show all the PDF and everything. Okay, and yeah, so this is on German concept. And then talking about uh, numerology course. So color numerology is on process. So level 3 is there or not, I don't know. So we'll let you know level 3. So if it's there, we'll complete level 3 and then start with numerology. See, numerology, see, when my journey started with, I had a lot of questions, why some people become so lucky all of a sudden. How things will work out for certain people. And I've seen people who have struggled like anything, hardworking, but their luck factor is still down. Okay, so I was so curious about this. Then I don't know, somehow I got into numerology. Just by your name correction, spelling, example, Rina, instead of Reena, if you put Rina, so lot of changes will happen. Okay, so depending on your date of birth, how to select lucky number, you can become your own therapist. So I wanted to learn this for myself. Okay, but then people are like, you have learned numerology, so can you just analyze and everything? Then I thought, okay, I have capacity to teach others also. I can understand certain things, and also numerology masterclass will be there. I think it's for 2 days, free session. So you all can join in. So you will understand how actually numerology works. Okay, and there are people who have, no matter what, their willpower will be extremely strong. Okay, so these are the people who have 159 in their date of birth. So if you don't have any of these numbers, 1, 5, or 9 is missing. So somewhere their willpower will be very low. Okay, but if you have 159, no matter what, you will come back stronger. A lot of resilience. So this is how we understand certain things. Okay, and if you don't have 438 in your chart, you will not have, I'm not giving that negative perspective or whatever. So everybody will have growth and all, but if you don't have 438, uh, you know, growth will be very slow. So the progress will be very slow. Okay, so these are the things, and those are 357. These people trust easily and get cheated easily. And no matter what, you will never hurt others. You are ready to get hurt by others. Okay, so these are the things. So how to take care of yourself and how to stop this repeating pattern of whatever it is. So this is how we come to know. Okay, so you have 4 8 but not 3, and I can. What is that, Nikita? I didn't understand. No growth. Okay. Yes, yes. So see, 4 and 8 is there. So this is what Nikita is saying. So 4 and 8 is there, but 3 is not there. So if 3 is also not there, somewhere there is, the growth will be very slow, or there will be no growth at all. Okay, so we have missing number MEDs, multiple number MEDs, and all of these things. So this course will be done after color numerology. Okay, so yes, so these are the upcoming courses. Don't miss, because if you miss, I don't know, you are going to miss a lot of things, and many people um, should know a lot of things about name numerology, mobile numerology. I feel these things should be introduced in school itself, instead of struggling so much and everything. Okay. Yeah, so these are the things. And then from this Thursday onwards, Nikita, yes, I will post it on group. This Thursday or Wednesday. Yeah, from this Thursday onwards, we have a money manifestation workshop. This is not like you watch some videos in YouTube, So all these kind of information are easily not available anywhere. Okay, and that's why certain there are people who charge a lot. Okay, because the value what they create is it's all. So Vijay Lakshmi ji, so you are already part of Life Coach. Would you
Yes,
like to
Pooja.
share anything, Vijay Lakshmi ji?
Yeah.
This is my first
There is,
experience also on teaching new topic. How is it?
yeah, Pooja, within 1 week, I can say there is a lot of change in me.
Yes.
That the overthinking pattern is 30 to 40% reduced. Otherwise, always mind will be going on thinking something. Though I am doing some work, mind will be somewhere else.
Yes.
But these days, that is reduced. And looking at the things, perception is changed,
Yes. Yes.
viewing things.
Yes.
So I'm very, very happy about it.
Yes. Yes. Do you really feel it works, or do you think it will not work for certain people? It will work for
No,
certain
no,
people?
it's
Because
not like
people
that, Pooja.
don't enroll because they feel, okay, maybe it might not work for me. Maybe for others it will work.
No, there is little effort from our side. We
Yes.
should be able to do that effort.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Then it will definitely work. If we are not doing the putting on the efforts and
Yes.
simply saying it is not working means
Yes.
it's meaningless.
Yes. Yes. And how
As
is
you
the
explain, as
homework?
you explain in the classes, no, that
Yes.
minimum time if we spend and if we do the things, it's 100% or beyond that also it is working.
It is. Yes. Yes. It is.
And what we expect and the results are entirely on higher side only.
Yes.
And I am observing myself to be on high energy level.
High and
Very, very meager time in low levels I'm feeling.
yes.
And that, as you said, some tips in the classes, no, we are doing that, and I'm feeling extremely happy about it. I feel if class is not there, means something I'm missing like that. So I'm trying to watch the recordings so
Recording.
that I myself will be trying to keep myself in the high level.
High level, yes. Yes, Vijayalakshmi. Okay.
It's really worth puja learning.
Yes, yes, yes. That's nice, Vijayalakshmi, because we all are so used to, live in this
Somehow
survival zone.
I didn't hesitate to join. Immediately I took action for it and I'm feeling very much proud of myself for doing it.
Yes, yes, yes. I really appreciate that, Vijayalakshmi. Because Chakra class also, you're like, should I go for it or not? And then, and this
In
class,
spite
you
of
just
the
enrolled it.
time schedules,
Yes, yes,
I want to do it.
yes, yes,
That is the intention I made for myself,
yes,
and I'm enjoying the fruits of it.
yes, yes. And do you really think it's worth what you have paid, or do you think it's not worth it?
It's
Also, it can
very
be.
what I paid is very meager puja for the classes, I can say. I'm feeling that way only. You should have charged more also, but
Yes,
I never think that puja's classes this is higher amount. This
yes,
is not worth paying. That type of thinking doesn't arise in my mind.
yes,
Whatever we pay, we are getting multiple times of the
yes,
things what we are learning from you.
yes,
It's in multiples only.
yes, yes. So glad to hear this, Vijayalakshmi, and I can feel your energy. Like it's not going down. Like see, we all have
I,
good
I
days, bad
myself,
days. Yes,
I myself, I'm feeling that I'm always in a blessed state.
yes, yes, yes.
So nowhere going down.
No way going down. You can never come down. You can never spiral back to that zero
That's what I'm saying.
frequency. That will never happen. These are the things, like not many people teach it, and there are people who are extremely selfish who charge like too much, too much in lakhs to teach all these concepts. Okay. Yeah, so these are the things, so whenever you have bad day, for example, you are someone who will meditate for a long time, or even 5-10 minutes, your energy is here 100%. Okay, somebody told you something, one bad incident happened, you won't believe it, your energy will
Spiral down.
spiral up and come down. Okay, again to come back to this stage will be very difficult. Okay, it'll take a lot of time. Okay, so that's how so my intention is to keep your vibrations high. So when your vibrations are high, you will attract only right things, and there is no chance, okay, something negative will happen again. So that will never happen for sure. So this is like 100% guarantee I can give. So Vijayalakshmi ji is here for proof.
Yes, yes, Pooja, I do agree with it.
Yeah,
But we feel it is more worthy of paying you and getting the information.
promotion. Yes, yes,
Never I feel that it is beyond my, I don't say beyond our capacity.
capacity. Yes,
It's well within our thing.
yes,
So many things we are spending,
yes, yes,
but this is worth spending
yes, yes, yes.
out of all the other things.
Yes. So lot of
Buying a costume, buying a dress, these are all meager things.
yes,
But learning something else which is going to help us in many ways and beyond our thinking, it's
indeed.
worth paying.
Yes, 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 Vijayalakshmi. Because these are the things I honestly feel everyone should have, so this kind of knowledge, and that's the thing, so if I'm giving something valuable, obviously even the price should be so much, so people might think, okay, there are only money-minded people and all, but this 24,000 is nothing, I can say. It's literally nothing. And
What I feel is, Pooja,
yes,
you are in the reach of common man on this aspect in sharing the knowledge.
sharing, yes, yes, thank you. Thanks, Jalathan. Because, see, like, I know people who have actually charged 3.54 lakhs, literally, telling you, no? And in return, what they've got is nothing. They're like, it's full of, money is full of waste, So why did I pay so much money? So these are the thoughts they have. Many people have come
No,
back saying
never.
that, why do you charge so less when the value is so high? Okay. And one of my relative, okay, had to not do this one mistake. Okay. This was very long back itself, very long back, and like 3-4 months back also. One incident happened. They had to charge very high for this. Okay, I literally had to charge very high, but I charged only 500, thinking that okay, she's my, family, somebody's relation. I charged 500, and in return, what I got was not blessing, cursing. Okay, so this is what we get in return when we don't value our knowledge
It's
also.
it's not at all fair from their part.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so people don't understand, like if we give anything worth 500, no, see, even if I charge anything, color therapy also, if it's for 200 only, so the value will be more than 200, more than 500 also. So that's the thing. So now it's 24,000. Imagine what all things you can learn and the kind of transformation you will have.
Yes.
Vijay Lakshmi ji, if you didn't enroll, how many days or how many years would it take to, you know, uh,
I cannot say, Pooja, that way of thinking itself, I may not be able to reach it.
yes,
I may be totally missing the train, I can say.
yes, yes, Vijay Lakshmi. Because this kind of awareness is not, but there are people who have YouTube videos, everything is available, but proper technique, procedure is not available anywhere. And to teach this at charge bomb, so but this is minimum what I can say. So I feel this is for everyone, and especially when it comes to money, majority of them have a lot of money blockage. So when you're spending money, especially, okay, can be 10 rupees or 10,000, 10 lakhs, So when you give, the energy is different. Okay. So you feel it's like a loss, obviously when it goes away from you. Okay. But what are the things that you all should be aware? So we'll be doing a lot of money healing thing, So it's the session is for 5 days. So Vijay Lakshmi ji is already part of this. So you can join in. And we have one more uh, you know concept of inner child healing. Inner child healing, again, it's not what we thought in offline session. That is basic to basic class. So here we have all the advanced technique to heal your inner child with amazing symbol, to come out of certain things, So yeah, inner child healing. And this week we have money manifestation workshop also. So those who are interested, I've shared all the details on group. So yeah, you can join in. Okay. And
Pooja, one thing,
yes,
those who
yes,
are totally new to this community, they can also join,
yes,
if at all.
yes, Sujalakshmi. Yes,
Okay.
thank you for this, Sujalakshmi. Because many
I
people
will try
will have.
because I'm having certain people to tell them, but just I wanted to ask you, and before that I inform you
Yeah,
for informing them.
yes, Sujalakshmi. This is really
But how
going
far they
to
will
transform.
respond, I that also I can't say.
Yes, yes,
But still a try.
yes. They can give a try. So if you're interested, you can join in it. Your life will transform. That's all I can say. You know, many people they just carry a lot of baggage, and see, our brain is so much. Only so much. See the size. Only so much. But how many negative thoughts and how many thoughts which is actually not serving you is part of your life, so you overthink a lot. Why are you overthinking? So we have the entire procedure, like why certain things will happen. So it's beyond psychology, beyond anything we can say, so because the kind of activities we do. So I give homework also and classwork also. Classwork and homework. So with children have this right classwork book, homework book, and in class only I give certain some activities to do, sit and write, and some other activities. I don't want to reveal anything here itself, but lot of things, that will change your perception forever. This is the kind of guarantee I can. Okay, and I give lot of graphology work also, and symbols and everything is still there. So it's going to be from Monday onwards, all the procedure. But yeah, so this is the kind of transformation we have seen. And Chaitra ma'am is not here. If she was there, even she would give some feedback on this. But yeah, so this is the thing. And I feel this is for every therapist also, because as a healer or therapist, I would not like to use the word healer. God is healer. As a therapist, when your frequency is low, imagine you had some issues with somebody, family clash or friendship is somebody. With that vibration, if you treat others, you are transforming that entire energy to that person. So, so for that you have to maintain your frequency high. So, so this is how we'll be learning about everything. Okay. So yeah, so this German concept is going to be simplified. Okay. You just have to put certain magnets over here. Joint pain, where to put, nerve related issue, where to put magnets. It's super simplified. I'll show you the PDF if you want. You can take screenshot as well. But yeah, so other than that, any questions, any doubts, you can let me know. And we'll be having meditation also, meditation process. So yes. Yeah, 1 second. My screen is loading. Yeah. So these are the things that we are going to learn. Okay. German concept. Okay. Lymphatic vessel, nerve degeneration, allergy meridian, organ degeneration, etc. Joint meridian and fibroid degeneration. So so this is how this is how the PDF is going to be. So you need not sit and search orange color, white color, where to put which magnet, etc. So it's clear, So this is the location. So can you see this? So LY 1-1, LY11. Okay. Yeah. So this is for those who have any issue related to your ears. It can be your block also. So this is the point. What to do with this sedation or tonification? We'll be learning this, So when to tonify, when to sedate. Can we have so many points, Uh, Let me show you one thing. So the LY6 is for those who have uh, breast cancer. Breast cancer, it has worked like magic. Okay, and I don't stick only to one concept. So there are numerology codes which will work amazing for this, and healing code also, which works amazing. Okay, so this is how we are going to learn German concept. So it's 3-day event. When is it going to start? I will keep you posted on group. But make the most out of it, because this is going to be combination of TCM and German concept. Okay, Vallari ji, hello, Vallari ji. After a long
Hi,
time.
Guruji. How are you?
I'm
Long
doing
time.
great. How are you, Vallari ji?
I'm doing good. I'm good.
Good, awesome. Okay, So German concept, and TCM magnets. I think Valariji is also waiting for TCM classes. Archana ji, Valariji and everyone. All the TCM students. Now we are
TCM
going
and
to,
German concept also, I think we were planning to do it since long.
since very long. Yes,
Yeah.
Valariji. It's just that now numerology is done, almost done. So we are going to
Okay.
start with the new course. Yes, yes. So,
Okay.
watch the recording, Valarji. So today's recording, I will share it
Oh,
on group. Okay.
sure.
Yes, yes. Okay. Uh, so those who have mm, any issue, trust me, anything, for everything we have TCM protocol. Okay. So though you might feel it's headache, so when you see that chart on your leg, let me close the book. So this is my experience. So when I was in college also, I had to learn acupressure because I had acupressure exam. Okay. So I had to learn many things. There automatically, full 90 plus, scoring 90 plus. College, it was just like 50, 60 something. I was becoming average student and then dull student because my interest was completely towards acupressure. Because, the kind of result what I got was really amazing. Okay. So you can make note of this protocol. So this is for breast cancer, those who have breast cancer and everything. And I will also explain the spiritual significance of this issue. Why people will have breast cancer. Okay, so those who don't have that good bonding with their children also. See, it's not always the same thing. You can't judge somebody. Okay, this person has breast cancer, so the relationship with the children is not good. So immediately you can't judge like that. So I'm just telling you there are chances. Okay, so there are many food which causes cancer and everything. It can be due to lifestyle. It can be due to a food pattern. It can be due to your thought pattern also. If you have too much of hatredness also, you will have cancer and everything. Okay, so these are the things. So just one point, single point treatment, and the results are really amazing. Okay, so I think one more. Okay, this is amazing point. So if you have any type of arthritis, so make sure you just put 2 magnets over here. Okay, very simple. Yeah. So can you see this JD1 point? So JD1 is here. So you just have to set it 2 points. That's all for arthritis. So if the person is suffering from 10 years, 12 years also, it'll be gone like this. I can share so many feedback on this. Okay. So 2 magnets are here. Okay. On both the toe, left and right index toe.
So total 4, is it?
What Valariji?
Total 4 magnets.
4 magnets. Yes, yes. Trust me, any joint pain will be gone. Any joint pain. Arthritis, especially for arthritis. Yes.
Pooja, does fibromyalgia also come under arthritis only?
Kind of, but yeah, it has worked for
The same points will
for
work?
me. Yes, yes, yes. Aunty.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank
Because
you.
everything is connected. Kidney, liver, and your bones, muscle, cramps, and everything. It's connected. So if one is affected, slowly starts affecting other things also. Your blood chemistry, everything changes. So this is the root cause. Root cause, or what can I say? Mother of all the protocol, I can say.
Okay. Because
Okay,
I
so
get pain in all the small joints. And
thanks.
they said it's not arthritis, it is fibromyalgia, they are telling.
Fibromyalgia. Okay. Exactly. Then definitely it's related to liver also. So if we actually see those have any liver related issue, it can be liver deficiency, stagnation, or anything, fatty liver also. So
I
one
have
part
fatty
of
liver.
their face will be smaller and other part will be little big. This is how we see somebody and I'm like, okay. No, so this is how we diagnose also. Okay.
I have fatty liver, grade
Yeah,
1.
fatty liver also.
Grade 1.
Yes, yes. So you all can try this. So just give a try. So these 2 points sedation. Okay. So this is for any arthritis, any type of arthritis, any joint pain. So when I say any, think of anything. It can be your curvatures, your cervical region, thoracic, sacral, lumbar, coccyx, anything. This is the master protocol. Okay. Um, and fatty liver also, everything. So now just let me know what is your requirement for German concept and TCM class. It's a 3-day event, but it's going to be super informative. And it's not only for 1 hour, it can go up to 1.5 an hour also. So yeah, so this is on German concept. Okay, so yes, so any question?
Ma'am, please don't keep it at 5 p.m. I can't
Yes,
join.
yes. So this is the this is request from everyone, almost everyone. Alaric.
Ma'am, 5, that is why I could not join last 2, 3 courses of yours. 5 p.m. is impossible.
Oh, is it okay? Okay. Yes, Alaric. Yes, yes, sure. Sure.
Pooja, you
Yes.
told about this one symbols and all those things, na? Inner child. That will come under which course?
Life coach. Life
Oh,
coach.
that is completely with the life coach, huh?
Yes, yes, yes. And we
Okay,
have
okay.
only, so if you're interested to join only inner child healing, so we have that option.
Okay, you have that.
Yes.
And how about that signs, the symbols and all those things?
Sign will also come under life coach itself.
Oh, everything, the symbols and all those things which you use,
Yes,
that also
the
comes in there.
symbol and even graphology and everything.
Okay. So that will all come in life coach only.
Life coach.
Or
Yes.
are you taking any separate classes for that?
I'm planning to. Actually, many people are requesting me to conduct session on codes and symbols.
Codes
The,
and symbols.
those sessions are like super hit. People just within 2-3 days the results were there.
Yeah, I have seen that, no?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have seen that.
Yes, yes, auntie.
I've used it already. So if that is there, I think
Yes.
codes and symbols.
Codes and symbol, yes, I have to conduct. Yeah, I will let you know, auntie.
Okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing, they say that using numbers like, 8888 and all those kind of numbers they use and all
But
to
what I didn't
attract,
get it. What I
80808, those numbers, I've seen that
okay.
thing
Yeah.
wherein you have to attract money or you have to, spiritual, whatever it is,
Yes,
that numbers are used.
yes, yes.
So how much does it work? I don't know.
Uh,
So,
this is called angel numbers. Angel
angel
numbers
number.
different and healing numbers are different, completely different. So, for example, you see a phone and you see 707 or 303, 808 or something. Somewhere you're in a right journey, right track, or whatever you think. There are chances where certain things will work out for you.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So if you're seeing lot of angel numbers, Vijayalakshmi aunty, are you also seeing? Both
I
of
am
them?
seeing.
Yes.
I'm seeing lot of, the 4 sevens, 4 4s,
For
all those same numbers, all in fours, I'm seeing very often nowadays.
often. Okay, okay. So this is a sign where your spiritual journey will start very soon.
Okay.
Somewhere, everybody are operating from this third dimension, survival, adjustment, torture, bearing everyone's torture and everything. So you can literally jump from your third dimension to fifth dimension. That's what I'm teaching in life coach as well. Now directly jumping is also not possible. You have to go through the fourth dimension, where I think I told you in some other class also, Vijayalakshmi, color numerology, I guess. So I have to conduct one session only on this, spirituality and meditation. So all the hidden things, for example, now we all are in this third dimension. Now you want to go to fifth dimension. I want to live life of love, happiness, abundance, basically. Okay, the devil mind will not allow you. It will not allow. It will keep you trapped like this. So that's the thing. Okay, 1 second, just a minute. Just a minute. So Ansuya ji have some question? Yes, Ansuya ji.
Yes, good evening.
Yes. Hello, good evening, Ansuya. Hope you're doing.
I joined. Yes, fine.
Yes.
Yeah, I wanted to ask this number, 2 points you told, no? Second toe, both fingers we have to put.
It's on the toe. 2 points. Yes.
Yeah.
Sedation.
2 points. For liver stagnation, you told, or
No.
liver blood
No.
deficiency.
No, this is for any joint pain. If you have arthritis or any joint related issue, then it's going to be sedation.
This rheumatoid arthritis, it will work in
Yes,
finger.
yes, 101%.
Okay. Sedation, magnet or methi seed?
No methi seed, only magnet.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, welcome. Okay. Yeah, so what I was talking, third dimension life. Okay. So we all are living in this thing, She told something, 5 years back, 10 years back, the same thing keeps, ruminating. It'll not leave you. That overthinking, that what I call it as your ego mind, your monkey mind, won't leave you. Okay. 10 people, 100 people would have told something nice about you. You won't remember all those things. That one negative thought will trap you like anything and will keep you trapped for many years. Okay. So I've done all these big courses and and somewhere I've wasted a lot of money also. I'm like useless, buy the chart so much and everything. So when I've gone through all these things, so as you all know, I learned something, I grasped something, I prepare my own recipe and share my wisdom. So this is what I do, and this is the speciality of my class. And this is what Vijayalakshmi ji is, experiencing from past 1 week as well. Okay. Vijayalakshmi ji, do you
Yes,
think
Pooja,
that
it is true. It is true.
how is it? You can only explain it.
It's very much true, Pooja. And I can say I'm more than expectation I am. No.
Yes.
It's a simple word to say.
Yes.
More than expectation in 1 week class itself.
1 week, yes. And you still have 5 more weeks.
Yes.
5 more weeks to go. Okay, so imagine the kind of blockages that will be gone forever from your system.
Yes.
Okay. This is the kind of guarantee I can give. See, from third dimension to this fifth dimension. So what we go through is, it's really not easy. You have to undergo a lot of things. And there are people who, they literally felt like crying because, years of, torture, mental torture, surviving zone and everything. So when your body, your mind, your soul wants to grow, elevate, your devil mind will again try to trap you by, bringing back those people who triggered you. Okay, because your devil mind never wants you to grow like this, so it'll try to pull you down always. Okay, and this is where we keep stuck. So from third dimension, fourth dimension, you're feeling very nice, amazing, etc. Again, for some reason, that thing will go down, your vibration will go down. Okay, so how to face those fears and elevate your energy. So this is what I'm teaching. It's a mixture of everything, everything. Meditation, um, guided meditation, inner work, inner child work. Mm, what else? I can't even name it. It's a mixture of everything and all advanced concept, So you will come out from this frustration and irritation forever, I can say. Okay, so yes, so this is the thing. Yeah. So further, any questions related to anything? TCM, anyone? TCM. Yes. Okay. So we'll start with meditation. So I hope you all are ready. So don't like lie down and listen and all. So make sure you all are sitting straight. So close your eyes and now focus on your breath. 1 minute of silence. And if you're doing this procedure, tell everybody not to disturb you for another, I don't know, 15 minutes at least. 10-15 minutes. Okay. Focus on your breath. Until I say open your eyes, don't open your eyes. And it would be really great if you all switch on your camera. Okay. Yes. Isn't it? See, now we connect with energy. Hello, Chandraji. So let's begin. So close your eyes. Just 1 minute, connect with your breath. Focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale. As you inhale, now inhaling anything that you want in life. Peace, love, abundance. And as you exhale, you are releasing all the stress from your body. What is that one thing that you want to heal? Anything that you don't like about yourself. Overthinking, fear. confused, connect with your inner self. Surrender to universe by saying that I surrender all my fear, overthinking pattern, everything to your divine feet. Then imagine your favorite god and help you to come out from this situation. Give some clarity because universe loves clarity. To be clear with your intention. And what do you want to surrender? Very clear. Give some clarity. Whatever your fears are, anxiety, anything that will give you stress, just tell universe to give you courage. Especially Durga Devi, who gives you clarity on everything, especially your mind, and just throws away all your illusion, false illusion. As you inhale, you're inhaling clarity. As you inhale, you're inhaling clarity. As you exhale, you're removing all the stress, anxiety, which was never yours. It was never yours to experience or hold it for so long. As you do this process, you're just trusting, and no matter what happens, you have that faith and trust that you will come out of this situation. Just connect with yourself. That's all. Make sure you all are sitting straight. Make sure your spine is erect. Now, slowly just focus on your root chakra. As you inhale, you're sending energy to root chakra. And as you exhale, it's coming out from this root chakra. Anyone or anything that made you feel fearful, unsafe, anything that made you feel unstable, you're releasing everything. Majority of them have joint pain because of root chakra. Imbalance of root chakra. come out of all these situations, which was never yours to feel. All the fear, instability. It's giving you courage to go with the flow. And now slowly your attention on Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana chakra is a major blockage for majority of them, because we all get so trapped in this emotions, guilt, shame, etc. It was never yours to feel it. You're removing everything as you focus on this chakra. Inhale and exhale. And as you do this process, you're healing your Swadhisthana chakra. Only with breath. This is the power of your breath. Now focus your attention on Manipura chakra. Manipura chakra is all about having strong willpower. This chakra, if it's strong enough, if it's balanced, you can run whole world itself. All these world leaders have strong Manipura chakra. So the days where anyone who made you feel unworthy of anything, remove all these blockages. As you inhale, just send love, feeling of being worthy. And as you exhale, you're just removing the feeling of unworthiness from your system. And imagine the color of Manipura chakra glowing yellow in color. Now focus your attention on heart chakra. Heart chakra is again all about feelings. The way you feel about anything and everything. So this chakra can be healed with love. Love is the most highest frequency. You still have feeling of anything, grudges, anger, etc. Release it. Send some love to this chakra. And imagine it's glowing in green color. Those who have hurt you, those who have given you pain, those who have triggered you, just say thank you for all the lessons. Focus on your throat chakra. See the color of throat chakra in light blue color. As you inhale, it's giving you courage to express what you feel. focus on this chakra, throat chakra. Anything that kept you silent for years, suffering silently, or you're going through silently, or you don't feel like speaking up. You say sorry to this chakra because you've suppressed it. And because of this, many people have thyroid issue. It's of no use taking any medicine. You've suppressed so much and you want to express it so badly to someone. As you inhale, you're giving love to this chakra. As you exhale, you're removing everything from your system, anything that kept you suppressed. Now focus on your third eye. This is called Agna Chakra, which will help you to give you clarity in everything. The more you have clarity, confusion is gone. Focus on this chakra. As you inhale, you're inhaling clarity. As you exhale, you're removing all the confusion. Let us not focus much on these two chakras, Agna Chakra and Sahasra Chakra, but just give some energy as you inhale and exhale. Inhale clarity, exhale confusion. Just 30 seconds, not for 30 seconds. Now, the last one, Sahasra Chakra, where you become one with universe. You are not in universe. The entire universe is there in your body. This is the power of understanding and activating this chakra. Now see all your chakras balanced, giving you some energy. We all deserve peace. We all deserve love. We have not taken birth to suffer. Suffering is only optional. And you have taken this option of suffering. Choose love. Choose calmness. A healthy, happy life. What is that one thing your soul wants to experience? Forget about your physical body. What is that one thing your soul actually wants? If your answer is still, I don't know, you have to do a lot of inner. highest. Not the materialistic thing, but anything that your soul likes. Promise yourself to clear all your emotional blockages. Your soul is just thanking you. Why didn't you hurt me from so many years? Feeling bad, but now you're giving that access. You're giving love, light, everything, and your soul is so happy. The soul have come here to experience good things, but we all face bad things also. It's just a pattern, that's all. But you thought that is your reality, which was never yours to experience. So just say, promise and say, I release the fear that love will always hurt me. I no longer carry emotional pain from my past. I release the need. I release the need to earn love, prove my worth, or chase affection. I release attachment to people, situations, and expectation that no longer serves me. I forgive myself for the times I ignored my own needs for someone else's approval. I'm no longer repeating old emotional patterns unconsciously. I can recognize the difference between love and emotional dependence. I release expectations that create unnecessary suffering. My heart is only allowed to heal at its own pace. I'm becoming emotionally lighter every single day. I release every old story that taught me that love must come with pain, fear, rejection, loss. I return to myself. I choose safety. I choose self-respect. I choose emotional freedom, healthy love. What happened before or during my past cannot control what happens next. My heart is open. My boundaries are extremely strong. I'm ready to experience love without disappointing myself. Thank you, universe. Thank you for always listening to me. But I'm so sorry that I never got chance to connect with you. Like, always trusted my ego mind or devil mind. I thought that was my reality. But this is who I am. This is my reality. I love you so much. Because everywhere, whatever I see is full of love, lessons. But I always misunderstood all the patterns. Please forgive me for everything that I've gone through. I forgive everyone because I want to grow. My soul needs to evolve. Thank you, universe. Thank you so much. You can say out loud, just keep your right hand on your heart chakra and left hand on top of your hand, on top of your right hand, and say it wholeheartedly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm blessed. I'm healing every single day. I trust the process. I'm divinely protected. And I feel energized every single day. Thank you so much. Now you may slowly rub your palms, place it on your eyes, and open your eyes. Yes, I could just see Vijayalakshmi aunty enjoying the process to the core.
Yes, Pooja.
Yes, both of them enjoying. I was like, wow, looking at you all. I was like,
Thank you very much, Pooja, for making me my journey in this path.
yes, most
Because
welcome.
meditations I started only with you.
Oh wow!
And
I'm
in
so
the
glad to hear
beginning, mind is not here. But nowadays, I'm not wandering anywhere. I'm very much present here itself.
Exactly.
That I can say.
That's amazing.
That's
Nice.
the major change in me.
Yes, Vijayalakshmi. Awesome.
Because mind doesn't listen to us.
yes.
And we cannot bring it back also all of a sudden. But that I'm able to see in this 1 week period,
1 week. Yes.
that change.
Awesome. Nice, Vijayalakshmi. I'm so glad that you're part of life coach and it's helping you.
And thank you very much, Pooja.
yes. Welcome, Vijayalakshmi. Yes. Vijay aunty, how about you?
I really enjoyed it and thank you so much.
Yes.
I think this one, meditation was for me, I felt like.
Is it wow?
Yeah, because
Okay.
after yours, I do your processes, whatever you had given me or told me, I do it almost, every time. Like all the 3 recordings, I keep on doing it and repeating it.
Okay,
So I
okay.
have come to some stage wherein, I'm resolving things.
Wow, wow. Oh my God. Wow.
Thank you so much for that, Pooja. Thank you. Really, thank you. I should really thank you so much because I've come to a place where, I can let go at least. Like, yeah, letting go of and, taking some, driving away my fears.
Wow.
And today I decided to come over one of the fear.
Yeah, okay.
Today morning only. And it's, it's still in the process. It is still on the mobile. It is just to click one button. I'm just thinking, okay.
Okay.
But in this process, I saw myself clicking that button and I'm going to do it now.
Wow, wow. Awesome.
And thank you so much, Pooja.
Very nice.
I got over that fear. I'll do
Wow.
it and I'll message what it is also.
Sure. Yes, auntie.
And love you, dear. Thank you so much.
Take care. Thank you, auntie. Thank you so much.
And thank you for all the help you have done to me, Pooja, because that only 3 things, which I'm doing it very, very, regularly.
Yes.
I'm today at this place.
Yes.
And, today I'm able to tell my mind. And, today actually from 3 days, this change has come.
Wow.
Now I'm seeing myself. I want to align myself, mind, soul, and heart.
Heart, yes. Wow.
And I'm giving that command to myself. Like, my mind, whenever it goes to that, me, right? Overthinking and negative thinking.
Yes.
So whenever that overthinking or negative thinking is coming, I'm giving, telling those sweet words like, mind, please, no, let's align together. So,
Wow.
Very much happy to hear this, Vijayalakshmi ji.
Oh, that way, Pooja is awesome that way.
Yes,
Because
yes.
the way, she knows what I was just few months back.
Yes.
I was in a very bad state. And today the smile, I think it is because of Pooja.
Wow. Nice.
And thank you so much, Pooja. Today is, if you can please share this recording, I think I can go through
Yes.
it.
Definitely.
This meditation was awesome. I think halfway through I started smiling like anything.
Yes. You were smiling and seeing you smile. I was like, wow. Even I was smiling.
I could see that, I could feel that smile. I was like so happy. Okay, today, whatever. Tomorrow, now no doubts about tomorrow's step, what I'm going to take. I'm going to be like, and yeah, wherever I'm going, one namaskar to you, to that person from you. Let him bless you.
Yes.
So thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. Love you, dear.
Yes.
Love you.
Thank you. Very nice. I'll tell you one thing because majority of them, my generation and especially me, like I'm straightforward. I don't know, like I was, I'm like this, throughout my childhood days. Nobody has taught how to respect ourselves. See, respect your parents, elders, everybody will teach you. But anything that is pulling you down, talk for that. Speak up for that. Nobody will teach that. Like, adjust, survive. No, this is how we have been brainwashed. Okay, so once you start listening to yourself, the more you respect, so nature will respect you in such a wonderful way. Okay, Vijayalakshmi know what the process is. Okay, today also, see, once you respect yourself, your body, your mind, your soul, so in return you will get abundance, so this is the okay. So please, no matter what, and letting go is the easiest thing you can ever do. Okay, this will be the most easiest thing. Okay, see, if their intentions are bad, if your intention was pure, 100% pure, okay, only good things will happen. You just need little bit of courage to let go. That's all. See, attachment and all. See, we all are emotional fools, including me. Emotional fools. We all are. But certain things are there where you have to let go. If you let go certain things, you will elevate.
Yes. Your procedure of letting go is awesome, Pooja.
Yes.
That way, whenever I have to let go some person, no, I go back to your recordings. I do it for that particular person, and
Wow.
I'm
Wow.
working that way. So
Wow.
thank you so much. You have given me that Ramban.
Wow. Awesome.
So I have the Ramban with me, so it is helping me. Each time it is helping me. So thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, and if at all possible, no, is there a way, like, now I have decided that I have to align. See, one thing what I understood, it is my own, I don't know, it came to me itself,
Yes.
all by itself, that, I have to get aligned with everything has to be aligned. The soul, the mind, the heart, and myself.
Yes.
So my body. So is there any way in which I can, fasten that alignment or something like that?
Definitely. Yes. But this, you can do regular chanting of any one mantra, but so there are a lot of things in it. Meditation, spirituality, also, with in the beginning. 1 second. Okay, yeah. Not every mantra is for everyone. Okay. So see which one is having more impact on your mental health in a good
Yeah,
way.
somehow my intuition told Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare.
Yes. You can
Somehow
go with
that is catching me. So
Yes.
I've already started writing also. You won't believe I was writing just before your
wow.
class
That's
also. So
very
that is one thing I felt that is going to help me to align. So I started writing that also. And one more change all of a sudden, Pooja. As you know, I am a person devotional also. I was reading too many mantras, books, shlokas, everything I was doing.
Yes.
All of a sudden, I think 10, 15 days back, somehow I started feeling that, one mistake in any of my chanting would bring problem to me. Somehow the universe started giving signs.
Yes.
Okay, you don't believe, I stopped everything. Every shloka I stopped. Now I am just doing very simple shlokas as, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Durgaya Namaha. Only those simple shlokas I am doing. And all the complicated or big shlokas which I have memorized also, I stopped reciting all of a sudden. Somewhere I have a guilt also in me, like, why did I stop? But somehow my mind is not allowing me to recite it, telling that what if I am doing some mistake?
Exactly. Yes.
So am I on the right track, Pooja?
Yes. No, definitely, because everybody thinks every mantra is for everybody. So if you do this or this will happen, so certain mantras will work out only if it's meant for you, if it's meant for your soul evolution. Okay, I'm not saying it has side effect or something as such. And then to fasten the process, whatever it is, if possible, you can definitely join the course center, because Vijayalakshmi ji, I don't know if I have to ask this also, but if you would not enroll also, how many years would it take you to come out of whatever?
I can say I could have never come out of these things, Pooja.
I actually wanted to join, Pooja, but few things made me stop it.
Okay.
Because putting an effort also was the major blockage for me.
Yes.
Only thinking, but not coming out. But somehow when you announced this course, no?
Yes.
Not even a single second
Yes.
thought. Immediately I did it.
Yes. Because
I think
yes.
that divine time has come, I felt, and I did it.
Yes. I tried to join in. If possible, you can join in, because the process will be 10x more than what we did today or whatever it is. Today it's just 5% of what I'm actually teaching.
But it's already started, no, Pooja? It's already started.
It has it has already started, Vijayalakshmi ji. But recordings are also there, and every day it's going to be a new day. And I'm actually not told what the syllabus is all about. every day it's like, okay, what next, so that curiosity is there. But you can join in any time. It's not like only this procedure should be done and then you can join in. But you still have time, you can think and definitely decide.
Okay.
But it's a game changer, I can say. So
Yeah, I can understand because few things with you only have brought in so much of changes in me.
yes.
And now there is no hurry in me, Pooja. You can see I have not been contacting you because I'm working on the same
Working,
thing
yes.
again, and because I know, I can't jump in everything.
Yes,
So
yes.
let me, become, whatever you have already given, let me master in it and then
Yes.
go to the next step. So I'm
Yes.
consistently working on it, and
Wow.
you can see the results. That's all I can.
Yes. I can, the energy is different. I can feel that. Amazing.
Definitely changed. Definitely changed.
Yes. Awesome.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So
Thank you so
the
much.
thing, yes, welcome. Okay, so that's it. Had a wonderful session, and yeah, the energy is high with everyone. And Hetalji, how did you feel? Hetalji, Varsha is here, Chandraji is here. Okay, so any sharings? Anything that you want to share? Yes,
Yeah,
Hetalji,
meditation
how did you
very
feel?
good.
Good.
Yeah, I feel it light,
Light
very
up.
light.
Yes. Yes. See, same problem with everyone. What everyone have gone through, So you can't blame anybody. Your generation was like that. My generation is different, and in that I'm only different. Sometimes you have to learn how to give back answer also. Whoever it is, you can't tolerate disrespect. Okay, so yes. So that's all. So that's the thing. And yeah, 1 second. Yeah, so that's it. Hope you all enjoyed the session. I can already see that.
Thank you so much.
Yes, okay. Welcome. So take care, everyone.
Enjoyed a lot. Enjoyed a lot.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very much, brother.
Yes. Welcome, Ujjwal.
Thank you.
Take care. Namaste. See you in the
Thank
next
you.
session.
Thank you.
Yes.
Bye.
Namaste. Bye-bye.